magkakaroon po ng mga libro about you, about the works that you did, and yung sa, at pati po yung mga ginagawa niyo po ngayon. At saka Sir Joss, kwento rin about yung efforts na ginagawa ko ninyo. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. Okay, the first time I had this talk with Giorgio Lim, who is the president of the VSSI, we thought about coming out with books, of course on the work, on the body of work of Ate V. And then I was able to talk with Lito Zulueta. He is a journalist and also a member of the Manunurin ng Pelikulang Pilipino. And since we're all Vilmanians, so sabi namin, it's actually about time. So we're doing 3 books actually. The first one is titled Vilma Santos Icons, Cinema, Culture and Society. It's a collection of scholarly articles written by academics and scholars from the top universities like UST, LaSalle, Ateneo, meron pa sa Monash University of Australia. So there are 19 scholars, so medyo makapal yung book. And here's an update. It's now being laid out by the UST Publishing House, and hopefully the book will be out in probably end of December. Ang pinaka-latest will be first week of January. So ito talaga yung masusing pag-aaral sa mga work ni Ate V. Iba-iba to. Merong mga articles about, let's say, extra, meron sa bata-bata, si Stella L, may relasyon almost all over the films. So 19. At nagkaroon namin, yung pala yung book 1. And then the second is a coffee table book. And in that coffee table book, we were working with no less than Miss Chip Guerrero, who's the TV producer. Yeah. And of course, it's going to be a very glossy coffee table book, and it's already in the works. Also published by the UST Publishing House. And it's also being written by myself and Lito Zulueta. Yung scholarly book were the editors. And the third is the filmography. So yun din, it's going to be probably the third, which would of course talk about all the movies of Ate V, of course the summary, and of course how important every film is. So maraming aabangan na not only the Vilmanians but also everybody, kasi yung talaga ito yung pinaka-importante sa amin na mga Vilmas na gawin. So hopefully you will also support the book because the book is leading for our very Star Wars seasons, Miss Vilma Santos Recto. Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just so grateful. First is Father Richard, Father Rector, sa UST, Publishing House. The mere fact, para tanggapin nila yun, na sila ang mag-release ng mga libro na ito, with you, Professor Dodds, of course, and some professors and from different universities. Alam mo, up to this day, up to this time, hindi ko ma-imagine kung gaano kalaki yan. Pero alam ko na magiging very, very memorable yan. Hindi lang sa pagiging artista ko, kundi sa legacy ng buhay ko for 62 years in the industry. I'm just very, very grateful. I know it's not going to be easy, it's not going to be easy. Lalo na ngayon at this point in time. Marami kasi dapat gawin, Ngayon na ang uninvited ay nakasama bigla sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Kasi nag-meeting na tayo to a team. I call the team headed by Jojo, of course, nakasama yung uninvited sa MMFF. And then at the same time, I will be, nag-file ako ng candidacy because I will be running again for governor in the province of Batangas. So definitely, we will start already. Actually, dapat nag-upisa ka na ng ikot-ikot niyan, Although alam na naman ng mga Batangueños, kilala na naman nila. Of course, I've been with them for 24 years. And then, the preparation of this book. I know it's not going to be easy because the people or the team who will handle this, they will not settle for less. Hindi ito yung klase na makapag-release lang ng libro, release na. They want talaga ang A1 klase, Class A na klase ng libro. So I know it's not gonna be that easy. So medyo aayusin ko lang yung timetable ko just to make sure maayos ko yung promo ng MMFF, uninvited, and then do some work and be with my bigger family in Batangas, especially this Christmas. And then at the same time, maybe early next year, concentrate naman and focus on the books na i-release ng aking po o ng ating pong team. So ito yung so far yung naka-schedule. But I'm very, very grateful UST. Mabuhay, maraming sa tumasyan sa puso. Maraming salamat.